My name's Elizabeth Emerald. I had my Leaf Guard installed over the summer, and I'm very happy with it because, first of all, they cleaned everything before they did it. And just on that, it had not been cleaned for at least probably 8 years, 5 years, somewhere around there. And I already knew that I went online and I already knew I wanted this product. I mean, there was no question. We got like 5 big stars from everybody. There was nobody that had anything bad to say about it. And so the salesman really, I was almost like saying, don't waste your breath on me. I already know I'm going to do it. But I let him do it. He did a great demo. They scheduled it right away. The technician came out. He was wonderful and very helpful. Any questions I had. So I'm very happy with it. I'll never have to worry. And I would definitely recommend this to anybody who's thinking of not even to consider any other product. It just doesn't make sense. Besides, the cost was no more than the other products that I've heard about that weren't even any good. So I don't. It's a no-brainer as far as I'm concerned.